Hello, lovely people. Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Share this video for others to also discover this channel. Please make sure you watch this video to the end because we are all learning. Today I'm here on another piece of land close to where the first pig farm is located. I think about 10, 12, 13 kilometers. The name of this place is Inyan Abonyunim, and then the other place is Inyan Abasa. We are here on this piece of land trying to build another farm, to start another pig farm here. And as you can see, it's pretty huge. The land is huge. The land is very huge, and we've already acquired it, and we are here for the borehole guys to do a visibility study. The borehole guys are here to do a visibility study to determine which parts of the land will be best for the borehole to be drilled. If you've been watching my other videos or my previous videos, you can see that I talk a lot about water on the pig farm. Water is the most essential commodity you would need on the farm. Yeah. So we are here and we are working on this piece of land to yeah. I'm there. I do motion fin 1, 2, 3, 4. In fin de no. Yeah. So we are here. Sorry for the interruption. I was being asked where the border of the land is located, and as you can see, there are these trees here. The one in the middle. There are 2 trees closer together in the middle. So the second from my left side of this view is the borderland. So this big tree here is on the land, and it's going to be it's not going to be cut down. We are going to leave it like that. We will just clear the bushes around it so that at least we can have a big tree on the farm. We have a lot of palm trees here too, and we are going to leave a lot of them standing. Yeah. So subsequently I'll be putting videos about the whole project here so that you see everything that goes on. Yeah, we are working. We are very much interested in the animal husbandry, and we are working towards it. So please subscribe, very important. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also share, click on the share button to share to for others to see. Leave a like, leave a comment. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Peace. see, we were determining where to put the first structure, the first farm building, which will contain the pigs. And as you can see, the guy in black hopping around with some device in his hand, trying to determine where will be best for the borehole to be drilled, on the farm. So he hopped around quite a bit. That is why I made this video a little bit faster so that I don't waste your time. Thank you for subscribing. I guess you've done that already, and subsequently I will put more videos here to update you on how the farm is going, both the previous one and then this new one. And in my next video you'll see how far we've gone with the first farm, the first big farm. The pigs are growing very well and they are eating very well. And one exciting news is that they've been able to discover how to use the drinker nipple, and I'm happy about that. So please subscribe so that you can see all those videos that I'll upload here, and thank you.